Namaskara. Today I will teach you some simple asanas that you can practice daily using a chair. Let us look at the benefits. Acts as a kind of warm-up. Helps the muscles to be a little flexible throughout the day. Lubricates the joints of the feet, toes and the ankles. Strengthens your thigh and hip muscles and spine. Relieves stiffness in your shoulders, back, arms and legs. Let us look at the precautions. Ensure that the chair doesn't have an armrest. Ensure chair is placed on a balanced surface. Be mindful of your breathing during practice. Ensure you take deep breaths. Pregnant women should not practice these asanas. Those who have undergone any kind of surgery in the recent past should not practice these asanas. Sit down with your back straight on a chair. Relax and take deep breaths. Stretch your right leg forward and move your right toe fingers in and out 7 times. Keep your leg in the same position and move your toes up and down 5 times. Next, curl your right toe in and out 5 times. Then rotate your ankles in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction 6 times. Repeat the same series of steps with your left leg and toe. During the age of late 40s and 50s, some of you may feel some stiffness in the joints that particularly happens in the morning or could happen at any time of the day, especially if you have been sitting still or not moving for long periods of time. In such cases, chair yoga helps you rejuvenate your joints and improve your flexibility. Let's move on to the next set of exercises. Raise your right thigh and roll your right leg up and down in a cyclic motion 10 times. Now, do the same with your left leg. Next, cross your right leg onto your left thigh and swing it inwards and outwards 10 times. Repeat the same with your left leg. Chair yoga is extremely helpful for people who are in constant desk jobs and for those suffering from arthritis and joint related conditions. Cross your right leg onto your left thigh and move it up and down 5 times. Now repeat the same with the other leg. And that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Press the bell icon.